Hi, Stuart and Scott. This is Matthew calling from the Arcola Theatre in London. Here we have the surrounding miserable countryside of East London while it's raining. So I'm going to just show you the lab quickly and show you the project, because that will be easier than writing it down, especially as I don't have any documents. So here we go to the lab. Doing a little video tour.
Oh, I actually just picture it.
You do now. So to the end of the corridor, so we've got studios on the right and the main office on the left. It's quite funny because sometimes working here you find a sword on your desk or you hear screams of pain from another room. So this is the lab. There's my scope and my power supply. Here's the box that we want to be making another 9 of. Here's the fuel cell provided by Chimera, produced in collaboration with BOC, who've got a bunch of lead acid batteries, load testing box. Down here we've got the cool lights that we're going to be using with the system. Here's the rest of the components. Here's some more drawers up here. So inside the box we've got the PSU that comes from the main socket here. That is used by the circuit board that you can just see down here to charge up the battery here. So when we turn it on, it will come on even though there's just the battery. So after it's waiting on the USB, which is data logged here, you can plug in a USB keyring on there. It's now waiting on data and it's logging on the data with the date and also the voltage of the battery. We can take a load out of here right now, or we can just turn it off. Ching. Here's the fuel cell, which has RS232 serial out. That goes in the back here so it can monitor what's going on, and also the 12-volt line here. So if we get this ready to roll, we need to use the hydrogen over here. So I'll just quickly plug this in. So it's a reverse thread screw, so it goes the other way to a tap. Just hand tight. And then our little key here. Quarter turn. And then we're wanting to dial it up to about 6 bar. There we go. So I come over here, turn it on, and it will start booting up. So at the same time I can show you, if we run it off the mains by switching this on, it will come on automatically, no need to press it on. And after it's booted up from the USB, it will tell us that it's running on the mains. Wait on USB, charging battery, 12.9. So now it's charging the battery charging circuit is on that corner of the PCB. Here's a PCB. There we go, there's one. That's version 1.1. I made 3 mistakes on that one. And here's version 1.0. I made 2 mistakes on that one. Version 1.3 is coming soon. So the fuel cell doesn't seem to be coming online, which might be because I flattened the battery recently. Nevertheless, what happens is the power comes in through either the battery, the fuel cell, or the power supply, then gets OR'd with one of these 3 power switching diodes down here. That is monitored by the PCB and comes into this 24-volt DC to DC converter, which is then available from these front 2 sockets here. And if I just grab one of our DMX lighting controllers, plug that in with their handy nitric jacks, and then plug in one of these bad boys. Hell yeah. So we can run, these are called pulsars. We can run 4 of those off one of these units, all DMX controllable, all sweet. So that's a demonstration of the unit, how it should work, apart from the loss of the hydrogen fuel cell capability, which is a shame. I'm guessing it's because I flattened the battery, but that will definitely be working soon. I've got to fix that for tomorrow when we've got our press release. So hopefully this video is telling you a little bit about the project. There's no real written documentation at the moment, so it'll be mainly following written notes and talking about stuff, which is why it'll be really cool to be working with someone that feels comfortable with soldering and can be working on their own and doesn't need to be kind of taken through everything step by step, but can look at a schematic and then understand how it goes. As you can see, the wiring is a little bit of a bird's nest in here. There's not much room in the case, but the cases have all been machined now for us, so it's just a matter of screwing things in and cutting things the right length. So I hope you enjoyed this educational video, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy your day.